Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a Gumroad profile. So actually guys, at first you will need to open up your favorite browser and just go with gumroad.com and then just click on sign up if you don't have an account, or log in if you already do. So I should note that you can sign up with email, Twitter, or Facebook. Okay, and then all you need to do is to verify your email. So just check your inbox for a verification email from Gumroad, then just click the verification link to activate your account. And once logged in, you will need to click on settings option that you can find on the left hand menu. So you will need just to scroll a little bit down and then just go with settings. And now you will need to go with the profile tab that you will find at the top bar. So here you will need to fill the blanks with username, the name, so your real name or brand name, and the bio, a short description about you or your work. Also the profile picture, upload a clear image or logo, and scroll all the way down to find the background color and the highlights color. That's optional but helps make your profile look professional. Now just go up and click on payments. So here you can set your currency and the country. Okay, so for the currency you can find it on the settings right here, then just scroll all the way down. You will find local, so just go with US dollar or CLN option and change the currency just from here. For the country or the time zone, you will need to go with that option and then just set your current time zone. And on the payments tab here, where you can add your payments or your bank card informations, write your name, first name, last name, address, city, postal code, country, phone number, etc. And on the advanced settings, you can set a custom URL like the gumroad.com/your name to make it easy to share, or you can add your domain right here. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.